welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and today's video I have an unboxing from Cosmic. So this is a spiritual box. I'm ready to feel spiritualized, I'm ready to feel zen, calm, and this box freaking smells good, so I'm ready to crack it open because it smells freaking divine. And also the packaging, guys, this is too freaking cute. This is too freaking cute. So thank you to the guys at Cosmic for sending this to me. Love you guys so much. And I'm ready to unbox this bad boy and see what it's like. Also, if you guys didn't know, Cosmic is an amazing New Zealand company which specializes in the alternative things. There's a lot of natural products, a lot of hemp products, there's a lot of candles, there's a lot of beauty, there's clothes, there's vases, there is vapes, there is everything that you can feel for the mind, body, and soul. And now they've got motherfucking crystals. So bitch, I'm ready because I'm like, please be a crystal in there because I'm ready to feel myself. So yeah, let's open this bad boy up. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking excited! And I have a love note. I love my little, oh my god. Oh, if you guys could smell this, you would be so freaking jealous. Get on the Cosmic website right now. You might want to put some things in your cart in a minute. Hey Cerise, we hope you enjoy this spiritual pack. Light some incense, sit back and relax as your chakras align. Yes, let's do it.
I'm relaxed. Don't I seem relaxed to you? Uh-huh. Don't I?
Siri, chill. What the hell? Siri needs to calm down, okay, guys? Just saying. Alright, so the first thing we have is some little stickers. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have 100 of these on my car. And you guys should too. Order from Cosmic, get yourself a bumper sticker. Oh yeah. So let's start with the first. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is literally so stunning. Oh my god, okay. New thing that they're getting, dream catchers. Look at this. This is freaking so cute. I love the purple, it matches my eyes. Oh my god, this is so freaking adorable. I love that. Where can I hang you? Where can I hang you? You need to be like up here. There we go. Yes, that's so freaking cute. I love that. I love that. Alright, so now we're on to the next one. Oh, we've got some Sex Wax air freshener in shade, not shade. You guys can tell that I love unboxing makeup. And the flavor strawberry. So, oh my god, that smells so good. That's really good because I needed a new air freshener, and Sex Wax air fresheners are like, they smell literally forever. They are just so awesome. What do they say on the back? Bring the smell of Sex Wax into your car, office, or home. And yeah, it just says never spoils, so. Cosmic hooking me up with the car things. I'm excited. Alright, so what do we have here? This bougie ass bitch. What is this? Oh my gosh, this is stunning. This is an incense holder, and my gosh, look at this. This is so stunning. I love the little diamantes and jewels that are in there. I love that. That's so freaking cute. So what you do is you have it sitting up like this, you put your incense in here, and then the incense starts to fall into that groove so you don't get it everywhere. It's stunning. It's amazing. It's a fantastic idea. Alright, and then we've got a whole bunch of friggin' incenses in here. What have we got? We've got the Nag Champa Sacha Sai Baba. I've probably butchered that name. I'm so sorry. And this one. What does this one smell like? I've had this one before because my friend Tessa was just obsessed with incense. So I've got a whole bunch from Cosmic, and this one smells so good. It reminds me of when I was flatting a few years ago. I love it. Oh my god, vampire blood. This one, I still have so much of this because I light it all the time. This is the scent of my house, is vampire blood. That is the scent of my home. Stunning. I love it. If you guys need any incense, honestly, get some from Cosmic because they have such a huge range of it, and it's so cheap. It's like $6 or $7 for like this one here. Like, these don't have the prices on it, but they're not expensive at all. Alright, Angel Love. What do you smell like? Oh! That smells so freaking good. Angel Love. Alright, and then we've got this one here. What does this smell like? Oh, oh. Oh, that smells really good. Oh, natural resin extracted from the Camophora tree. Fancy. Oh, 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 so exciting. And then we've got this one. What is this? Organic goodness rose sticks. This isn't like a fancy ass box, but oh my god, it smells like a flower. Look at that one. That's so cute. Yay! Oh my god, and a lot of this is like organic as well, so most of it's organic, so that's really good. What do we have in here? This sounds like it could be crystals or something. Right, let's see. What is this? Alright, so we've got a bunch of cards. Oh, these must be the crystals that I've got. So let's put that here so we can match them up. Alright guys, let's open this up. This is really exciting. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so, can you guys see through that? Oh my gosh, it's not the size of my head by the way. It's little, but I'm holding it forward. Look how pretty that is. So this must be amethyst. So amethyst, protection, purification, spirituality. Amethyst is a powerful and protective crystal used in ancient times to recover from both physical addictions and addictive relationships. It became known as the stone of sobriety. I need to carry this around when I go out to eat. That's what I need. A natural stress reliever. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. It needs to, let's just live with me here. It encourages and supports inner strength and provides a peaceful energy for meditation, helping with developing intuition and psychic abilities. Amethyst can help to alleviate headaches, migraines, prevent nightmares, and help with insomnia. This is going by my bed, just saying. Our high quality range includes tumbled stones, crystal decor, ethically sourced crystals. And it's New Zealand owned and operated, guys. It's amazing. Okay, so we've got our amethyst there. What else have we got in here? Ooh, this one is so pretty. Can you guys see the shine? Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So this is the Rose Aura. Love, alignment, and support. Rose Aura can help heal a tired mind and regain a bright heart. This crystal's energy connects to the heart and soul, which can help enhance awareness and alignment with your true self. It helps with emotional issues connected to self-love, so you are able to radiate love to those around you and inward in yourself, allowing you to have self-forgiveness and understand that you're always supported by your soul and never alone. Is there more than one in here? Because I need these at my times. I love how it comes with these little cards. That's so cool. So you can actually read about what you're having as well. That's a good part. Oh my gosh, too spirituality. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. This is an opalite. Sexuality, helpful, strength. Opalite is an all-round healing stone. It can help to overcome tiredness and assist you in transitions of all kinds. It encourages persistence and can give you strength in verbalizing your hidden feelings. It can enhance sexual experiences and stabilize mood swings. Opalite is also known as the helping hand stone as it is so powerful it can encourage success in all your endeavors. Can this fit in here too? Like, oh my gosh, yes. Alright, what else do we have in here? So, oh, this one must be a cornelian. I've got 3 more in here. So, oh, no, hang on. I read my amethyst wrong. This one's the amethyst. Okay, so is this amethyst as well? She's got a little table now. But this one is the amethyst one that I first read out. That is so stunning. It's so pretty. Is this an amethyst too? This is just a little plate. God, everyone literally watching me do that amethyst one must be so pained. Okay, this is the amethyst. Cut this one in. Oh, oh my god, I can't believe I did that. I'm leaving that in for you guys. You guys are gonna love that. So we've got our amethyst there. That's what it looks like. It's literally so freaking pretty. I like how I'm like cut that in there. I'm the only one editing this. Alright, so now we've got a cornelian. A carnelian. Confidence, empowerment, physical vitality. Carnelian is about action and empowerment. It can help provide you with a powerful boost to your willpower, with physical energy and drive to back it up. If your heart wants something, carnelian can help. Carnelian can give you the confidence and power to go for it. Carnelian can also help in physical challenges by enhancing your inner vitality. I love how smooth all these are. They're so smooth and so pretty. Alright, now we've got the last one. This is probably one of the prettiest ones. Look at this. It's got little gold flecks in it. It's so stunning. Alright, the lapis lazuli. Intellectuality, arts, success. Lapis can stimulate wisdom and good judgment. aiding in intellectual analysis, problem solving, and creating new ideas. A powerful crystal for activating the higher mind and enhancing intellectual ability. It stimulates the desire for knowledge, truth, and understanding, and aids the process of learning. It can attract promotion, success, and lasting recognition in the workplace. Excellent for enhancing memory. Carry the stone for strength in a creative or public place. Bitch, I'm getting my little crystal bag. I'm gonna put it in my pocket. This is so pretty. All of these stones are legit. So freaking cute and amazing. Okay, like, come look. Come closer. Come closer. I just want to take a minute to talk about these crystals in my little crystal plate. Now, these are all beautifully polished, and they show off the colors so intensely. Like, they're so pretty. And just these little cards. Cosmic, you are outdoing yourself because they're so helpful to read and get all that knowledge. I didn't know anything about these. I didn't even know that this, like, I thought there was an amethyst, you know, seeing all these and stuff. So honestly, this is just blowing my mind. This is so freaking cool. It's so cool. So yeah, thanks so much, Cosmic, for sending all the stuff to me. I feel like I'm going to be nice and spiritualized now. I do have this, which I'm going to put my crystals in, so I'm going to be right back. Now, Cosmic didn't send this to me, but I brought this myself. This is a rolling tray to roll crystals on. So I brought this. This is only $9.95, by the way, and it's a huge metal tray. And I thought what would be really cool is if I can get all of my crystals into here, and it can be like my crystal little, like, you guys can't see very well from the angle, but this could be my little crystal holder. All my crystals from Cosmic. I actually really like the feel and the look of them. They're really aesthetically pleasing as well, and with them being so small, they would be easy to carry around in a pocket or something like that. But I think that these are really, really cute, and I'm just like, these are adorable. I love these. I love these. Thank you so much. So yeah, that is a look into all the things that are at Cosmic. Well, some of the items that can help you be a bit more one with yourself, feel a bit more spiritual, and help with realigning your chakras and everything like that. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I would happily review the incense for you guys if you want to see. It's hard with you guys not being able to smell anything. There's no YouTube smellogram. Otherwise, if you guys could smell anything, that'd be really cool. Also, my own little crystal I've added to my collection, a little tourmaline as well. So having crystals with you, it really does help you as well. Tourmaline actually fights off kind of demons, spirituality and everything. So having a necklace in any of these crystals is going to help you with your everyday life, and they're so pretty as well, but these are so adorable. So yeah, thank you so much, Cosmic, for sending these to me, and I'm going to feel very enlightened and invigorated, and I'm just so excited to take on the world now that I've got all of these little magic powers. I feel like I'm a little wizard or something. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this video, and if you've got any of these items, or if you're going to be buying any, let me know in the comments down below. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!